Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I've got my Brushless Converted Losi 5ive out with me. Now I'm traveling for work and I'm in Wisconsin. I'm right along the Wisconsin-Iowa border, so the Mississippi's right over there. Iowa's just on the other side. I've stopped at this place once before. I think I bashed my X-Max and my Slash 4x4 here, and it was absolutely epic. This is honestly an epic place to bash. I call this place a basher's paradise. So I decided to stop on my way home, this time with the Losi 5ive, and rip it around. So I'm running on 8S. It's a, what are they? They're 9,000 milliamp, 130C discharge rate 4-cell packs. Let me go ahead, get it hooked up, and we're going to jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, it is time to rock and roll. Here we go. By the way, actually, in the last bash with this thing, I totally broke the rear bumper. So the rear bumper mounts got broken. Because I'm cheap, I just ended up gluing them. So I Gorilla Glued it back together, but I think one hard hit, I'm going to break this bumper again. So I will need to replace it, but for now, hopefully it'll hold at least for a little while. I thought that was just like a piece of rubber. I saw that there. I thought it was just a piece of rubber. It looks like it's like the bottom. It's like the skid plate underneath somebody's bumper. Plastic skid plate. Huh. Also, by the way, guys, if you are enjoying my content, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, and anytime you guys stop and take the time to hit that thumbs up button, I do truly appreciate it. Let's keep on going. Ooh, I didn't notice. I already broke. The glue job I did already broke. Well, that's a bummer. Must have been when I hit that. Oh well, we're gonna keep on going. Let's get over here to some of this. That'll be fun. We have yet to do a launch. Ready, get set. Big tumble! Let's get over to it. Yeah, that was a pretty nasty tumble. That was a nasty one, guys. I think I probably just broke the front, I just broke the front bumper, I think. Crap. Yep, I did, guys. I broke the front bumper completely. I came off of this. There's a little washout right here. Crashed right into the washout with the bumper. Look at that. Ah. Well, that does not look good, does it? That's happened to me before, where it breaks right here where it goes underneath of the differential housing. That's a bummer, but I should have expected that to happen. May I get it adjusted, and we'll just have to avoid hard hits. Yeah, we're just going to have to avoid the jumping, I think. We'll just go and we'll rip up and down the sand hills. That'll still be fun. Because if I do too hard of a hit, now that the bumper's broken, I'm a little bit worried I could possibly bend the chassis, which I don't want my chassis to get bent. Let me make sure it's still straight, actually. Still looking pretty good, but yeah, I don't want to risk bending my chassis because I could really tweak something if I landed really hard just on this part without a bumper. So, gotta be a little bit careful. So now I need a new front and a new rear bumper. That's like the only thing that ever breaks on these is the bumpers. The bumpers, when you consider how heavy of a truck this is, it probably weighs 35 or 40 pounds. It's a lot of weight coming down on the bumpers, so I hit that really bad right over there, really bad. But yeah, let's keep on going. How about another launch? Let's get one from in front. See the bumper just dangling there. Ever since I swapped this over to brushless, I've had more fun with it than I ever had when it was gas powered. Not bashing gas powered, just I'm able to use it in more places. Like there's houses right over here, so I don't want to disturb them. So if this was still gas powered, this would be making a ton of noise. Probably get complaints. So it's just easier, and the brushless power comes on. There's instant torque. It's just awesome. Battery time isn't great though. That's the only bad thing. Battery time isn't great. Even with these huge 9,000 milliamp batteries, maybe 20 minutes tops. Sorry, it's pretty loud. Got a train going by. of nosed it right into that spot right there. And she just hit low voltage mode, guys, so that wasn't even 20 minutes. Bashing around here, that was maybe 15 minutes tops, maybe even less than that, but I gotta tell you, those 15 minutes were still a heck of a lot of fun. So I'm gonna wrap up the video. I have a couple more RCs that I'm gonna be getting out, bashing here, so keep your eye out for those videos. Whether or not, I might put those out before this video, I don't know. But if you wanna check out those videos, I'll go ahead, I'll put a card in the corner. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to give it that big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you later. New bumpers, that might set me back, I don't know, 60, 70 bucks between the front and the rear. Real quick, the other thing I noticed, I think the motor might have shifted a little bit because that gear mesh is pretty loose right now. Everything's still looking all right. Looks like it might have worn down the pinion and the spur a little bit, kind of unevenly, but that's a pretty loose gear mesh right there. So it looked like the whole motor must have shifted at some point. I thought it started sounding kind of funny, but I just attributed that to, I thought maybe grit and stuff from all the sand got in between the gears. That's the noise I thought I was hearing, but after a few of those big hits, maybe the big hit where I broke the front bumper, it probably shifted the motor a little bit, so I'm going to have to readjust that. But anyway, just wanted to point that out to you guys. I think all the gears are fine, just extremely loose gear mesh right now. But we don't have to worry. This thing's not going to run again until I get a new front bumper. And everything still looks good. I'd be a lot more worried if I didn't have the aluminum diff cases. So since I have the diff housings that are made out of aluminum in the front and the back, I felt a lot better about, you know, still ripping around after I broke the front bumper, because everything on the front of this is basically aluminum now. I got aluminum suspension arms from Hot Racing, got aluminum hinge pin braces from Team Losi Racing. I think this is from Ice RC, these blue differential cases. This is plastic all in here, but I looked. Everything with the steering bell crank looks good. Chassis still looks completely straight, so she's just really, really dirty right now, and really kind of broken. Otherwise, no worse for wear. Can't wait to have this thing out again. Also, the battery shifted. I forgot, the battery shifted. It looks like one of the batteries might have gotten up against the pinion gear. I didn't realize it shifted, and the pinion gear was eating into the actual hard case. So it actually ate most of the way through the hard case. The good thing is they're hard case. If those were soft case, I wouldn't doubt it would have gotten through into the cell. So I think we made it out of that all right. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you later.